Hi guys, and it is your leopard goddess. I'm sorry I haven't been making any videos at all, and I'm looking hella ratchet. But let's just say things aren't going too well. But anyway, straight to the video. So, I've been having like hiccups, like really bad hiccups, like that last anywhere from 9 to 20 hours. No lie, like they'll seriously go that long. And how like my chest is hurting me so bad. But I found this trick, and I never ever thought it would work. And within 5 seconds, literally, my hiccups were gone. So I was like, oh my god, I had to share this with my boys and my girls. So all you have to do is get a drink of water, and you grab your right, okay, this is left hand, so I'm using my left earlobe, and then you just drink for 5 seconds, and your hiccups will be gone. I guarantee it. I know it doesn't sound like it's gonna work, but it works. And within, like, I did it for 10 seconds, but within 5 seconds, your hiccups will be gone. Just chug water, like, drink it constantly while you're pulling your earlobe, and within 5 seconds, your hiccups will be gone. So, leave a comment below, and if you have hiccups and you're gonna do this, make sure you take a video and put it as a video response so everyone can see you doing it, and that's gonna work. Okay, I love you, bye!